Colors, colors, come sing today. Gray and bronze lead the way. Learning colors is so much fun. Let's discover them one by one. Gray is the elephant, big and wise. Gray are the clouds in the rainy skies. Gray is the stone, cold and round, or a little mouse sneaking around. Gray is the sweater, soft to wear. Gray is the wolf with a steady stare. Gray is the road where we all go. Can you find gray? Let it show.
Bronze is the bell, ringing so clear. Bronze is the medal, worn with cheer. Bronze is the statue standing tall, or the leaves in autumn starting to fall. Bronze is the coin, shining bright. Bronze is the lamp giving warm light. Bronze is the sunset, golden glow. Can you find bronze? Let it show. Our colors, colors, come sing today. Gray and bronze, lead the way. Learning colors is so much fun. Let's discover them one by one.